5 cabinet locks make this countdown, ending with the one I'd actually buy. But choosing by appearance alone can leave you with a poor cabinet fit. Choose temporary, strap, kit, or magnetic installation. Number 5. Betertek Adhesive Safety Latches. Renting or avoiding tools? I'd consider this strap-style option when drilling isn't part of the plan. Its practical advantage is the no-tools format, which keeps installation from becoming a hardware project. But that convenience comes with unanswered questions about adhesive performance and clean removal. You also don't get clear guidance for matching the straps to particular surfaces or cabinet layouts. So I'd skip these if your finish is delicate or your cabinet shape demands precise compatibility. They're also the wrong direction if you want an internal or magnetic lock hidden from view. Number 4. Heoath Baby Proofing Latches. This is the appearance first choice, and I'd shortlist it when visible hardware would bother you daily. Its reason for being here is style, which matters in an open kitchen where every cabinet stays on display. But appearance doesn't answer whether the latch fits your doors, drawers, or surrounding trim. There's also no useful detail here about installation, cleaning, or long-term durability. So skip it if you need dimensions or firm fit guidance before ordering. I'd also pass when easy maintenance matters more than keeping the cabinetry visually tidy. Number 3. Vkania Child Proof Kit. If several areas need different locking approaches, I'd compare this kit before buying separate products. Its strongest argument is versatility across varied home locations, making it more flexible than a cabinet-only concept. But that broad role isn't backed by a clear component list or supported surface guidance here. That makes planning awkward because you can't confidently map each piece to a particular door, drawer, or appliance. So skip it if you only need one known cabinet configuration. I'd prefer a more clearly documented option when exact compatibility matters more than having a general-purpose kit. Number 2. Skyla Homes Multi-Purpose Child Lock. Need something for travel or a temporary setup? I'd choose this roll over committing to a cabinet-specific installation. Its appeal is flexibility when your environment changes, such as moving between home and short-term accommodations. But it's framed around temporary use rather than a clearly documented permanent cabinet setup. The attachment method, dimensions, and removal process aren't detailed here, which weakens its case for daily long-term use. So skip it if you're outfitting one cabinet design for the foreseeable future. I'd want firmer installation guidance before treating this as a permanent fixture. Number 1. Vmaisi Magnetic Locks. This is the one I'd start with when you specifically want a magnetic cabinet lock format. The magnetic approach is the deciding proof point because it offers a different setup concept from visible external straps. But that cleaner direction still leaves installation requirements, cabinet compatibility, and maintenance needs unclear here. That uncertainty matters because magnetic hardware must suit your actual cabinet layout before the format becomes useful. So skip it if you need detailed installation guidance before choosing. I'd also switch to a visible external latch if straightforward visual access matters more than a concealed appearance. Choose Betertek to avoid tools, Heoath for appearance, Vkania for varied locations, or Skyla for temporary setups. I'd make Vmaisi the default only when magnetic installation matches your cabinets. Check cabinet shape, surface compatibility, installation method, removal needs, and cleaning access. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. I'd pick Vmaisi for a magnetic setup, but Skyla makes more sense for temporary use. Match the format to your cabinets, keep supervising, and find links in the description.